Okay, we're cruising along right now. We're in the middle of nowhere. Well, it isn't nowhere. It's Pleasant View?
Pleasant View / Ashland City.
/ Ashland City. But it's a place called Swezey'S. It's a little kind of sandwich and pub place. And our friends, our dear friends, told us about this place. So I had it on the list, and it was time to check it out. So we just got off the freeway. There's a big, huge billboard about Swezey'S. I'm like, man, billboards must be cheap out here. To have a little sign about it. Well, it's a big sign. But anyway, we should be there in a few minutes. We'll show you the place and we'll check it out. Okay, guys, you got to see this. This is like a little square place. They got coffee. They got a bunch of drinking pubs and stuff. And this says Swezey'S established 2017. And this is where we're going in right now. I didn't even get a chance to show you this menu. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to pull back and show you. And there's two sides to it. It's crazy. So I asked, what's the best thing on this menu? Because I didn't want to read it. I was so lazy. I read enough in school. But she said the Philly cheesesteak was worth getting. So we got the Philly cheesesteak. And you said the sweet potato fries are amazing. Okay. So I made her order sweet potato fries for me. So anyway, so we got a little bit of everything coming. Hang on. So we did our wings split. So these wings are ones that I'm not having. Those are the hot ones, all right? And somebody else is eating those. And then these are the little wimpy wings that people who can't handle hot. That's me. What did we put on there? Oh, the sweet chili. That was it. Okay, can you show them this really quick? Okay, see here? There's one left, right? And the lady came by and tried to take this plate. I almost bit her whole arm off, literally. This is the last one. I haven't had a taste yet, but I'm excited. Oh, maybe she heard me. Oh, did you need me?
No, I was just going to walk back.
Oh, go ahead, walk away. Good. There you go. Here we go. The oil is really good. That's where it is right there, the oil.
Are you going to do the wings while we're sitting here waiting?
Don't force feed me. All right, look how big that is. Okay, I'm impressed. Jumbo delicious and you make them that big. All right, here we go. Of course. They're perfectly cooked. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Okay, so you've had the hot ones?
Yep.
All right. So he's going with the hot one. He's going to try it and let us know how it is today. You may have liked them in the past, but we're just kind of...
Totally cooked.
Yeah, it looks good. So,
Good.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how hot are they?
5.
5? All right. Is it a hot person's 5 or a wussy person's 5? Yeah.
Probably a hot person's 5.
So if you saw me picking one up, you'd start laughing, wouldn't you?
I would
Yes,
probably
you would.
smile.
There it is. Yep. You'd be like, okay, yeah, he's going to find out it's really a 7. Oh, you do eat them?
Well, because he's the number one hot at our local restaurant. So.
But I have to say, with a little bit of dip, that's the way to do it. Because that cuts the heat a little
You can eat
bit.
the hot ones?
Nice job. You can do a hot one?
No.
Hurry up.
No,
Come on.
No, I'm done. Go. Bye.
Okay, guys, this is what she recommended. Okay, look how beautiful that looks. Did I just stop talking because it looked beautiful? Yeah, it does. Okay, that looks gorgeous. Get out of my pickles and onions. Those are my pickles and onions. Don't. What did you get? Rabbit food?
No.
Is that a side?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, okay. That's a lettuce wedge, right?
Yeah, it's a wedge.
And what did you get? The same thing I got, right? Oh, yeah. What did you get over there?
A hamburger with avocado and egg and sweet potato fries.
sweet potato fries, which you recommend. No, well, will you grab one, sweetie? Yeah, I'll try one in a second because you recommended them. So I will.
And the bun, look at the bun.
Yeah, that's what it should be. Soft and airy and beautiful and all that. And what'd you get?
An Italian sub with no lettuce.
Italian?
And Cajun fries.
No lettuce and Cajun fries? Oh,
And no lettuce or onions.
they have Cajun, like Five Guys has Cajun fries.
They're really good.
Are they
And
good?
Ranch.
And ranch. You dip in ranch all the time? Okay.
And the sandwich.
So you've gotten that before?
Yeah.
You like it? Awesome.
My favorite.
And what'd you get, Tammy?
I had the buffalo chicken with the wedge salad.
Buffalo chicken. Okay, guys, I bet that's good, but that's not a salad. That's a head of lettuce.
It's good. No, you cut it up.
Hold on a minute. Ready? That's a head of lettuce.
Okay, whatever.
You gotta,
And you need to try the ranch.
Okay, they're throwing food at me. But anyway, this is the sweet potato fry. It looks beautiful. It's cooked perfectly. All right, so we're gonna try this one first. Okay,
better than the ranch.
there's something amazing in the seasoning.
Cinnamon.
Yeah, there's cinnamon in the seasoning. Wow, that's amazing. All right, let me put that there because I'm gonna do the rest of that later. All right, hold on. Now this one is the Cajun fry. All right, and this one's like, I know Five Guys has Cajun fries, but I've never seen anybody else do this. That's literally better than Five Guys. That Cajun fry is cooked perfect. It's tender on the inside, crispy on the outside. Trust me, I'm a fry connoisseur. Alright, so look at that. Do we look good together? Okay, here we go. I'm going for it. Guys, I literally drove out to the middle of nowhere to taste some amazing food. All right, before I go outside and give you the wrap up, I didn't realize it was veteran owned until I saw this plaque on the wall. Good for them. They do a great job here, guys. They did a great job. Okay, guys, this place, Hub and Subs, Swezey's, what a shocker. This is in the middle of the country, and this was beyond one of the biggest menus. We've been overly blessed tonight. The cheesesteak, Philly cheesesteak was amazing. It was literally melt in your mouth cheesesteak. It was awesome. The burger looked, oh man, that was the best looking burger I've seen in probably a year. That was amazing. Everything was good. The chicken was huge, chicken wings. The bruschetta was delicious. The oil on it was amazing. So I can't say enough about this place. And it's called Swezey's. So what you got to do is, it's in, I think it's Pleasant Hill. Where we're at, / Ashland City. I said it at the beginning of the video, but anyway, it was really good. So I am totally giving this place, man, I'm giving this place like an A+. This place was rocking. They totally get it, the high mark, because we have been nailing them lately. So I'm looking forward to the next place. I think they wanted me to do a Mexican restaurant. It's gonna be fun. So anyway, we'll talk about it later. But A+ all the way, you guys. Show them some love. Bye-bye.